In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to load multiple samples at a time in order to create a rhythm kit. First thing we're going to do is we're going to click on the sample list button, and from here you can see we have all those chopped up samples of that drum loop. And if you wanted to, you could select up to 16 of these to load into a drum kit by simply pressing the F5 button for mark set, and you can see it creates a little checkbox there. I'm going to go ahead and check a few of these, and once you do this, go ahead and select Load Utility, and you're going to press the F4 button for Create Rhythm. And of course you're going to dial down here to the keypad and press F8 to select and execute. And now you can see we have all those samples loaded into our paths.